Audience can join with Mahadev's chanting name because today is Mahashivratri. Let's all join. Hara!
सनः परशतति दुर्गाणि विश्वानावेव सिन्धुं दुरितात्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टां दुर्गां देवीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुदर्शितरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्ति विरति दुर्गाणि विश्वा पूश्च पृथ्वी बहुदान भुर्वी भवातोकायतनया यशयोः विश्वानि नो दुर्गः जातवेदः सिन्धुं ननाव दुरितादिपर्षि अग्ने अग्निवन्मनसा गृणानो अस्माकं बोध्यविता तनूनां प्रदनाजितगुं सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं भवेम.
We apologize for fixing the technical glitch in just a second. In the meantime, I request everybody except for the volunteers to please be seated. Please be seated in your designated seats that we can have the tables assigned as they have been.
From the very beginning, GHHF chose action over silence. Between 2006 and 2007, GHHF initiated its first global advocacy efforts, organizing demonstrations and awareness programs to highlight the impact of government control over Hindu temples. From 2007 to 2009, large-scale Mahapadayatras were undertaken, covering hundreds of villages across multiple districts. These journeys awakened Hindu society at the grassroots level about temple autonomy and cultural self-respect. Between 2010 and 2014, GHHF actively intervened to prevent encroachment and illegal occupation of temple lands. Sacred sites
अतिथिदेवो भव गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते या देवी.
This is knowing oneself. The many times we cross the barriers of fear. The many times we cross the barrier of an examination, a hurdle by ourselves. And many times after crossing it, we realize that we did it and it was fantastic. So this is a self-realization which is a constant journey. And in this realization, we need to have targets. What is that? We need to know about our own self. Is it the ability to earn? Is it the ability to, sacrifice for a cause? Is it the ability to be able to...
हर हर महादेव मंदाकिनी चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमद दादा महेश्वराय मंदार मुख्य बहु पुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव हर हर महादेव शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्ज वृन्द सूर्याय दक्षध्वर नाशकाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै श्रीकाराय नमः शिवाय तस्मै श्रीकाराय